Hey guys, this is Sam from chillreptile.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $100 a day or quite a bit more with a simple two-page website that was built in ClickFunnels. And this is using affiliate marketing and being an affiliate for ClickFunnels, the software, and using what's called Spencer Meekum's affiliate business in a box share funnel. So I have a copy of that funnel, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process right now. So in order to be able to utilize this training, you need a couple things. First of all, you need a ClickFunnels account, and you can start a ClickFunnels account with a 14-day trial. Below this video, you'll find my affiliate link for ClickFunnels. So when you sign up via my link, I will actually be able to send you an exact copy of this process I'm going to show you so that you can load it up in your ClickFunnels account basically with one click. So ClickFunnels is software that builds sales funnels. If you haven't heard of it before, it's essentially software that allows you to build high converting landing pages and sales funnels in a variety of different styles. You can do lead gen, webinars, you can do local lead generation type funnels, or you can build all kinds of stuff. But in this, we're going to be covering what's called the business in a box affiliate viral funnel that was developed by Spencer Meekum, who's the top ClickFunnels affiliate. So this is the overview in ClickFunnels of this exact funnel. So it consists of 4 pages, and only 2 are really are ever really seen by your users. That's the opt-in page and the thank you page. So this is the opt-in page, and it's simply an offer to let people see a free, ready-to-go online business that's making $4,000 to $5,000 every single month. So that's the curiosity driving headline on the squeeze page. All they have to do to get this free information is basically sign up, drop their email in here, and click this button, and then it sends them to the second page. Now, what happens here in the background? The email lead is going to get sent over to your email autoresponder software. You can use tons of different integrations. You could use MailChimp or ActiveCampaign, which is what I use, or GetResponse, or you can use the native email autoresponder that's built into the higher account level with ClickFunnels, which is the Edison suite. So whatever you choose to use, one of the most powerful things about this strategy is that you are building an email list, which is one of the most important assets or the most valuable assets you could possibly build as an online entrepreneur. And the reason is because you own your email list. You can always click send and send information to that list, send them new offers, make money off of them. It's not like buying traffic where you're paying per click or per CPA or per 1,000 impressions, something like that. With an email list, you own your own traffic source. So super valuable. And this page is obviously really simple. You could get in there and you can change it, and I'll show you some editing features in a moment. What happens when they land on the thank you page, which is the confirmation page, is they start to consume information and they start to learn about the ClickFunnels affiliate program here with like Spencer Meekum's introduction video, and then also an introductory video about a cool perk in the ClickFunnels affiliate program, which is that they actually, when you sign up 100 users through your affiliate link, they'll pay for your dream car, I think up to $500. So if you check out over here, when you become a ClickFunnels affiliate and you sign up 100 members, they'll basically pay for a lease on your um, your dream car. I think it's up to something like up to $500 a month credit they'll give you. Yeah, we send you $500 per month towards your lease payment, which is crazy. So not only will you be getting making money from them as an affiliate. They'll also be paying for your car. And by the way, the ClickFunnels affiliate program is one of the most lucrative ones on the market today. Why? Because it's a recurring commission system, meaning they don't just pay you once, they pay you for the lifetime of the user that you sign up. So, and they pay you like 30%. So the minimum or the most common tier that people sign up under is the $97 per month tier. So you would be making roughly $30 per month off of every one of those. So all you have to do is to sign up really 100 users or 120 users, and you would be making roughly $4,000 per month. Because some people will also sign up to the higher payout tier, which is $300 per month. And in that case, you're making, remember that 30% commission, $100 a month. So this is super easy to do because the entire funnel is basically built for you already. You get all these pages, everything combined. All you have to do is start to swap out your affiliate links. And you can change stuff in here, whatever you want to do. Maybe you want to create your own videos so it's not branded for Spencer Meekum. He's a great guy and he's done a lot of work in here, but that might be something you want to do is change out the YouTube videos, make your own training videos. So you can see here that what's the strategy here is that we're walking people through this business in a box, just like I'm walking you through this right now. Your goal is to sign people up and walk them through it, and then they will go do the same thing, which is why it's called a viral business in a box share funnel, because it basically teaches people the basics of affiliate marketing, teaches them ClickFunnels, gets them loaded up in the ClickFunnels affiliate program, and then they go and they start sharing the same stuff. So there's a lot of potential for revenue in here, because you can also see, like in here, you can see this is Spencer's right now. This is his affiliate link for ConvertKit, an email autoresponder, and you could also get people to example sign up for Udemy here, ConvertKit, or for like hosting to buy a domain. So tons of different revenue opportunity in here other than just ClickFunnels. So hopefully you get someone in here immediately, they watch these videos, then your link with your ClickFunnels affiliate sign up for ClickFunnels under you, and then they would get this training, and then they would go on from there. So how do you get this? How do you get this whole funnel basically sent directly to you? Well, it's really simple. I have a copy of the share funnel, so I can basically send you to your ClickFunnels account the link to this funnel, and you can import this entire thing in one click. So that's one of the coolest things I think about ClickFunnels is the ability to have share funnels where you can just send people a funnel and they can load it into their account, and then they can edit it and brand it to themselves. Super cool. So all you have to do to actually get this funnel from me is to sign up to ClickFunnels for the free 14-day trial below this video or on this webpage, wherever you may be watching this. You'll sign up for that for ClickFunnels. And then you've got to go over to my website here and basically go to my contact page, which is under About. Go to my contact page and send me a message and tell me where you came from and and what's going on, that you want the business in a box affiliate share funnel, and I'll send it to you right away after verifying that you've signed up to ClickFunnels under my account. Now, I'm also going to sweeten the deal for you here a little bit, because I've got a ton of other bonuses just for signing up for ClickFunnels under my affiliate link, not just the share funnel. So when you sign up for ClickFunnels and you send me an email, I'm also going to give you access to a course that I have, which is 19 videos for getting up to speed on ClickFunnels. So that's like for beginners, figuring out how to use the editor, all that kind of stuff. So here, this is where it, yeah, so so once you go here, you sign this, you fill this out, let me know that you signed up under my link. I'll send you access to those 19 videos, and then you'll get up to speed really fast on ClickFunnels with those, so you don't waste any time in your 14-day trial. I'll also get you hooked up with a free one-on-one consultation with me. So we will work together on your strategy, and I'll help you with strategy. I'll help you with traffic, things like that. That's a $197 value, by the way. That's how I value my time. I'll help you personally hook up your first funnel. So I can help you with this business in a box funnel. Hook it up to a web domain of your choice or a WordPress site of your choice. I'm also going to send you my affiliate legal bundle, which includes like all the templates and all the stuff you need to make your website compliant. And then I give you access to a spreadsheet I have of 120 high-paying, high-converting, and proven recurring affiliate programs. So this is like what I consider like completely a priceless asset, because these are the best affiliate programs um, you can possibly be promoting. So something else I've got it's coming up, it's in production, is actually my Blogger Money Machine 5-day blogger challenge, where people can build a blog on your website. So I'll also give that to you. That's $1,000 value. It's taken me 40 plus hours to develop it. And it's almost done. It's pretty sweet, and I'll be able to send that to you too. So those are bonuses. So in order to get any of these bonuses or the viral share funnel, all you have to do is sign up via my link, go to my contact page, send me a brief email, let me know the email address that you signed up to ClickFunnels under, and let's dive into these actual pages just a little bit more. So I want to just show you some of the things that you can do if you're completely new to ClickFunnels. Let me just show you how you can edit. This is being split tested, by the way. So there's actually 2 versions of this page. And when you send traffic to it, the split test software in the background is going to be intelligently figuring out which one's the highest converting page, and it'll show a winner so that you can just use the winner. So let me actually edit this with you, and I'll show you how easy it is to use ClickFunnels, and literally within minutes you can have this funnel completely working to your advantage. So right now we're in the ClickFunnels editor, where you can change basically anything. So um, I can go in, I can change headlines. You can just see how easy this is to just change it, brand it to yourself. You can drop an image in here, so I could easily I can go in here, I can say add an element. If I wanted to brand this to myself, it would be extremely easy. I could drop a like an image element here. Let's see here. Let me see if I have my boom, boom, boom. I got a lot of images in here. Where's my, here we go. A little chill reptile logo. Add that image in there. It looks really bad on this page just because of the colors, but maybe I can add it above. And then I can go into the background on this deal, background color. Maybe I can change that, something like this. I could then change my font colors. Let's see, bold. Oops. And you can basically do whatever you want with these ClickFunnels pages. And then what you're going to do is, if you have an autoresponder, you're going to integrate it through the integrations on this page. So if right now I'm connected up to ActiveCampaign, and super easy. You just like one click, like once you have the API connected in the background to ActiveCampaign, it's very simple to connect it here, and then people will go into your autoresponder once they opt in on the front page, and then you've built an email list. You can follow up with them really easily. So that's really this strategy in a nutshell. It's super easy. All you have to do is basically import this into your ClickFunnels account, start sending traffic to it, and switch out everything on the on the funnel pages, and you can start making affiliate sales easily up to $100 a day. I mean, remember, all you have to do is get um, you know, like a few people a day signing up to ClickFunnels, and then within a month or two, you'll be on a recurring revenue of up to $4,000 per month. So get your copy of the ClickFunnels 14-day trial below this video or on the page that you're on, and then email me and I'll send you a copy of this exact funnel.